Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to the 30 minute. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it next to it, a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving free daily signals. By the way, in Discord and Telegram is only for a certain number. Believe me, when it passes that certain number, anyone who wants to join us is going to be paid, guys. So make sure to join us now. Also, we're killing it in our Telegram and in our Discord. You can ask people there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the market gave us here a green candle, another green candle here. As you see it, let's zoom it a little bit to see those things here. Is it that one here? Yes, it's got a pushing from up. It went to market tail here. Also, we enter a short here, tail down here. Is another story how we done it today. But for people in my Discord, they close it down here without losses, and that good for them. And here, me, I told you yesterday, the market, he tried to give you here a triple top. As you see it, very clear triple top here, but the neckline is down here. Look at it, because some people, they said it's going to be breaking now. Not yet, guys. Look with me here. You see those tails here, those ones here, that the zone which is need to be broken. That one here, not those tails here or that level here. It's need to be breaking those level. As you see, it is a square here. That level is very stronger. That's why you see the market is very flat, and that 2-3 days also we just scalping that market, because the market is very flat, and the market refused to go to nowhere here. That's the first thing. Second thing, we said here before, we got that inside bar, which is that one here, that green one, or that candle here. As you see it, till now there is nowhere to go down, and that inverted hammer indicating that the market is going to reverse a little bit, and I'm going to tell you why when we came in other analysis. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So here in the daily there is nothing yet. If it's breaking down here, that level here, you enter short till just to here, to that level here, then from here you started buying. I told you where exactly. You can go back and watch yesterday video. I think picture is too clear. Now it's going to the coming news for today to see what's coming today, guys. So it's going there. The coming news today, guys, as you see it, that the news which is coming today, we got a special day today. We got initial jobless claim, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, plus exit in home sales. All those news, they are going to come between 12:30 till 2 o'clock. So at that time, be careful, guys. Also, we started trading till 3 o'clock. So all that time it will be out from that reason. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. Look at it. What it's telling us here. US market is still giving new high. US market is still going up very sharply. A being hopping, even the Bitcoin, it will be correlated to that, but the Bitcoin it's not. Bitcoin is stay flat in his place. US market is going very sharp. Every day he give us a new high. So for people that enter in US market, they are making very nice profit, and Bitcoin is stay flat. We don't need to care about all that. And here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, it's still very low. That's my currency, it's still very low. There is nothing to be worried about. And even the US dollar, it's falling down. That's the bad thing. US dollar is falling down, and even Bitcoin is falling down. I don't know why. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So I was going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. I showed you yesterday that 200 moving average here, and we are in the top of it here. Show you all those things here, and I told you we got here that channel here. If it's getting broke down here, we will enter short. If it's getting broke up here, we will enter long. Me, I'm talking here just about swing trading. If you enter short, take profit of you. The first take profit, it needs to be here at that place here. So you need to be careful, guys, if we are going to break up or we are going to break down. Till now, also we are going to 30 days. Also we are here at that level here, sideways. So there is nothing new here. Even if we zoom in here to see the 200 moving average, what the market done there, every time he touch it, he show us a tail. Let me show you more. As you see it here, he touched it today. He couldn't break it down. And here we got something new. I'm going to show it to you when we came to 30 minutes, because over there is going to be very, very clear. We got a head and shoulder, as you see it, very clear head and shoulder. The neckline of it is it here at that one here. If it's breaking above here, it's going to go up. But just for mid-term, not swing trading, guys. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, everything still looking the market is going to fall down, but to where we don't know exactly. Our indicator is telling us also we are here in the bear market. But the good news, yesterday, remember, we came here, but today it came to that level here, but there is no one to push it up to that level here. That way you see the market's very, very, very flat that 3 days now. For people in our Discord and in our Telegram, market is very, very, very flat. There is no trend. Market is only sideways. Even in 30 minutes, the market is sideways. So that way also we go into lower time frames, like 5 minutes, something like that will be in trading it. And 5 minutes you can give signals there, because the market over there is working very, very, very fast. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, that way me I told you, me I thinking the market is going to reverse, guys, because we are in the 200 moving average, plus our indicator is enter here to oversold area level. Also we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone, and now we got here a head and shoulder here. If it's breaking the neckline, also we're going to enter long with it, guys, till here. So till now also we still waiting what's going to happen in coming hours and coming days, and also every day if there is any signal we give it to you, guys. So I think picture is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here it is, that head and shoulder, me I tell you, guys. As you see it, look with me here. I just show you in the 4 hours, you remember it? Look at it here. That the second shoulder. The neckline is it here. That the top of that channel here, as you see it. We been every time when it came to it, it touch it here, it fall down. So that the head and shoulder, guys, is very, very clear head and shoulder here. You can make even now here a symmetric triangle like that and like that, as you see it. Even that one you can make it. You waited where the market is going to break here or down here. So till now there is nowhere to break, and also we stay sideways here. That way also we still waiting. Today we enter a short from here, then the market went up till here. We went with it till down here. We been scalping it today. We make some profit. We will not say we haven't make profit. We make some profit, but till now the market is staying flat here. So also we still waiting what's going to happen in coming hours. Let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying. Even our indicator is not at the overbought area and is not at the oversold area. Is it here at the middle? That way me I told you there is no bulls, no bears controlling that market now. The market's very, very, very flat, guys. That way also we're going to lower time frames to scalp it. So I think picture is too clear, guys. You don't need to make the video too long. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.